Ever walked into a senior's home and thought, how is it always this spotless? It's not luck. And it's definitely not magic. It's routine. In this video, we're diving into 12 simple, powerful habits that seniors with clean homes do every single day. No stress, no overwhelm. These aren't chores, they're smart, life-lightening rituals that anyone at any age can follow. Let's get into it. 1. They make their bed, first thing in the morning. You might think it's a small thing, but making the bed is often the very first victory of the day. Seniors with consistently tidy homes know this simple act sets the tone, not just for the bedroom but for the entire mindset that follows. A made bed instantly transforms the room. It gives a sense of order, calm, and completion, before the coffee's even brewed. And for many seniors, it's less about perfection and more about routine. That 2-minute task quietly says, I'm up. I'm ready. Let's start the day on the right foot. 2. They never leave dishes in the sink overnight. It might seem harmless to let a few dishes soak till morning, but seniors with consistently clean homes follow one golden rule: no dirty dishes left behind. Why? Because a messy sink becomes a magnet for stress. One bowl turns into 5, and suddenly the kitchen feels overwhelming before the next day even begins. Tidy seniors make it a habit to clean up right after meals. It's not about being perfect, it's about staying ahead of the mess. That quiet 5-minute ritual keeps the counters clear, the sink fresh, and their mornings peaceful. A clean kitchen greets you with calm, not chaos. And that small effort at night? It pays off in big ways every day. 3. They wipe down surfaces as they go. One secret tidy seniors swear by? They don't let messes sit. Whether it's a splash on the bathroom counter, crumbs on the table, or a little sauce on the stove, they clean it then and there. No waiting. No build-up. Why? Because they know it's 10 times easier to wipe a fresh mess than to scrub a dried, stuck-on one later. It's a small habit, but it makes a huge difference. This quick, clean-as-you-go mindset keeps surfaces fresh, stains away, and deep cleaning to a minimum. It's not about spending hours, it's about seconds that save you stress. 4. They keep their entryway clutter-free. One of the first things you'll notice in a senior's clean home? The entryway is spotless. No scattered shoes. No overflowing coat racks. No mystery piles of mail. Everything, from keys to bags to slippers, has a designated place. Because they understand that the entrance sets the tone for the whole home. It's not about impressing guests, it's about creating calm. A clean entryway says, you're in control. You're home. And keeping it clutter-free doesn't take hours, just a habit of putting things back right where they belong. 5. They do one load of laundry a day. Ever noticed how some seniors never seem buried in laundry? That's because they don't wait for the weekend or for the laundry basket to overflow. Instead, they do just one load a day, a simple habit that keeps things fresh and manageable. No overwhelming piles. No forgotten loads sitting in the machine. It's all about rhythm: wash, dry, fold, done. By making laundry part of their daily flow, they avoid the stress altogether. It doesn't feel like a chore, it feels like just another easy win for the day. 6. They have a daily 5-minute tidy rule. Imagine spending just 5 minutes every evening to tidy up. That's it. No marathon cleaning sessions, just quick, focused effort. Seniors with clean homes use this simple trick: cushions fluffed, mail sorted, surfaces cleared. By tackling small tasks daily, they keep clutter from piling up and prevent chaos from taking over. It's a powerful habit that turns tidying from a dreaded chore into a quick, satisfying routine. 5 minutes a day, and their home always feels calm and cared for. 7. They put things back where they belong. Ever wonder how seniors keep their homes so organized? The secret is simple: everything has a designated spot. When they use something, they make sure to put it right back where it belongs. No piles left on tables, no lost items hiding in drawers. This habit keeps the home neat and makes finding things easy, saving time and stress. It's all about respect for their space and creating a calm, orderly environment. 8. They open the windows every morning. One simple habit that makes a big difference is opening the windows every morning. Fresh air fills the home, sweeping away stale odors and refreshing every room. It's like a natural reset, not just for the house but for the mind too. That burst of fresh air helps seniors feel energized and ready to start the day with a clear head. Plus, it invites natural light, making the space feel warm and alive. 9. They declutter small areas weekly. Instead of tackling the whole house at once, seniors focus on small, manageable spaces each week. Whether it's a drawer, the medicine cabinet, or fridge shelves, these quick decluttering sessions keep things from piling up. These small wins add up over time, making their home feel organized without feeling overwhelming. It's a smart way to stay on top of clutter and maintain peace of mind. 10. They keep cleaning tools easy to access. Seniors know that out of sight often means out of mind. That's why they keep cleaning tools like dusters in the hallway and wipes right under the sink. When cleaning supplies are easy to grab, it's much simpler to tackle small messes on the spot. This convenience turns quick cleanups into a daily habit, making the whole home stay fresh without extra effort. 11. They do a quick evening reset. Before bedtime, seniors take a few minutes to reset their space. No dishes left out, no blankets tossed on the floor. This simple habit helps create a calm, peaceful environment for a restful night. Waking up to a tidy home starts with a quick evening cleanup, setting the stage for a fresh tomorrow. 12. They keep only what they truly need. Seniors with clean homes don't hold on to things just because. They focus on what's truly useful and meaningful. By letting go of excess clutter, they reduce stress and make cleaning easier. This minimalist mindset brings peace and simplicity to their daily lives. You don't need to spend hours cleaning. Just a few smart habits done daily can make your home feel calm, clear, and truly lived in. Speech balloon: which of these habits do you already practice? And which one will you start today? Share your thoughts and tips with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a